Captain's Log, 55-7-32. It's been about 11 hours since I woke up from cryo. It would appear that I am the only conscious crewmate on board the Roosendaal. Sensors indicate that the rest of the crew are alive in their stasis chambers with the exception of Delby and Zenyun, who are dead. I do not remember entering cryo, nor did I give the order to send the ship into stasis. The navigation console has been retargeted to a new set of coordinates far from our initial destination. This new heading will take the Roosendaal deep into the Crab Nebula. I have been unable to override this new heading or discover who originally put it in place, as it would appear that my officer's token has been revoked. I cannot disrupt stasis, I cannot change course, and I cannot access surveillance archives. I have no memory of what has happened here or who is responsible for it, but I intend to continue investigating and attempting to wake my crew. The Roosendaal must complete its original mission. End Captain's Log.